Okay, hello and salam sejahtera. Today I want to present a rebound hammer test. Okay, next let's move to the equipment information. The name is Schmidt's Rebound Hammer with model Proceed Original Smith N and the manufacturer Proceed and the impact engineer 2.207 nm and testing range 10 MPa until the 70 MPa. And this application with building bridge dam and concrete column and concrete beam. Okay, next let's move to the equipment preparation. Firstly, check physical condition of hammer and clean testing surface. Ensure the concrete surface is dry. Remove loose particles and coating. And lastly, verify the calibration using an anvil. For the safety requirement, wear safety shoes, safety helmet, and use glove if necessary. Okay, for the component of rebound hammer, actually here we have just the rebound hammer, but the inside of rebound hammer we have the impact spring, rider on the guide rods, window and scale, hammer guides, release catch, compressing spring and locking button, housing, and hammer mesh. And next for the function, plunger contact concrete surface, and for the spring, generate the impact force, and the hammer mesh produce rebound, and the scale display rebound number. Okay, next let's move to the standard and range of result. As you can see here, we have do with 3 surface and with 9 reading, and the average of reading to 22 until 26. Okay, for the result interpretation, the reading of number rebound hammer, okay, above 40 is very good, 30 until 40 is good, and 20 until 30 is fair, and below 20 is poor. Okay, as you can see, the average of the rebound hammer is 32.4. So the result concrete quality is good. Okay, lastly, we move to the limitation of rebound hammer test. First, measure surface hardness only, cannot determine internal defect, influenced by moisture condition, affected by surface roughness, and accuracy depends on calibration. And lastly, results should be verified with code testing. Hello and salam sejahtera. Today I want to present the crack depth measurement test, which is called forensic engineering. Okay, the equipment information. Equipment detail name crack depth measurement meter. The technologies ultrasonic pulse velocity UPV and common manufacturer PCTE. And testing method ultrasonic pulse transmission, and application to concrete beam, concrete columns, bridge deck, pavement, building structure, and dams. Okay, for the features and application, features non-destructive, portable and lightweight, fast measurement, digital display, high accuracy, easy operation, and application detect hidden rock depth, structural inspection, quality assessment, forensic engineering, and investigation, building maintenance. And the main components here, main display unit, ultrasonic transmitter, probe, flashlight, coupling gel, crack depth gauge scale, crack width probe, calibrated plate, charge, connection cable, and instrument box. And the function display unit show the measurement result, and the transmitter probe send the ultrasonic pulse, and the coupling gels improve signal transmission between proofs and concrete. And next, let's move to the preparation before testing. Okay, firstly inspect the equipment and charge or install battery. Next, cleanse the concrete surface and remove and loose particles and apply coupling gels on the testing area. And lastly, measure crack width and max probe position. And for the safety, wear safety helmet, safety boots, and gloves when required. Okay, next, for the limitation, require the smooth concrete surface, moisture, effect ultrasonic transmission, reinforcing steel may infer with readings, and required proper positioning and accuracy depends on calibration. And for the standard, we have STM International and BSEN 1254 and 4. Okay, next let's move to the result. We have 3 results, which is divide by 3 point, and the distance between the proof 50 and the secondly 100. Okay, the average crack depth 1.55 meter. Hello and salam sejahtera. Today I want to present the half cell corrosion potential test. Okay, the equipment information. The equipment name half cell corrosion potential meter, the common model of Canine and plus corrosion analyzer, and the manufacturer is Proceed or Screen Eagle, and the reference electrolyte copper sulfate, and the measurement unit millivolt. Okay, next let's move to the features and application. For the features, non-destructive, portable, fast measurement, digital display, and high accuracy and battery operated. And for the application, detect the reinforcement, corrosion, and condition assessment, preventive maintenance, and forensic investigation, and structural health monitoring. And the main components here, the component is digital display units and the digital copper surface, electrical cable, and steel reinforcement connection clamp, moisture span, battery. And the functioner is display unit and display electrical potential, reference electrolyte, 2 measurement potential difference, and for the connection clamp, connect to reinforcing steel. And lastly, we have moisture span to ensure good electrical contact. Okay, next, the preparation before testing. Okay, firstly we need to check a battery level and clean concrete surface, locate reinforcing steel using a rebar detector, and drill a small access point, and connect the cable to reinforcing steel, and actually wet the concrete surface, and lastly ensure a good contact between the electrolyte and concrete. And for the safety, wear safety helmet, glove, and safety boots. Okay, next let's move to the result. As you can see here, the test point, we have a 12 point. So the mostly and overall here, the corrosion probability low to moderate and low. And the result interpretation, we are at the greater than negative 12 millimeter volt. And the interpretation, 90% probability that corrosion is not occurring. Okay, lastly, limitation in standard. For the limitation indicate the corrosion probability only and cannot determine the corrosion rate. And moisture effect reading required electrical tuning of reinforcement. Surface cooling may influence result. And lastly, additional tests may be need for confirmation. And for the relevant standard, we use the STM International and the American Concrete Institute.